question number 61. It asks, which of the following is least essential as a part of the argument in the above passage? So either the correct option will weaken the argument or it will be irrelevant. Now the passage is about population data collected by religious communities, or collected on the basis of religious communities. It says that such a data can have disastrous implications in a country like India. Addenda refers to something that has been added to a book, speech, or document. Now, it says that going by experience, population figures in terms of just religious affiliations will have a counterproductive effect. Now, let's look at the options. A is essential to this argument because it says that unless the reason behind such data is explained, it can cause disagreement among people. So, it is an essential part of the argument. Option C says, for a government to authorize the release of such potentially polarizing data almost randomly without taking any institutional responsibility is highly questionable. Now it will go with the line of the passage, because the government's authorization of data that can divide people in opposing groups is highly questionable. Option D is also consistent with the part of the argument because it says it gives an example to prove the point stated in the passage. However, option B says without any correlation to other demographic features, the rates of growth in the population of specific religious communities as standalone facts makes no sense at all. It doesn't explain why it makes no sense. And second, it talks about rates of growth. We are just talking about collection of data on the basis of religious population. So B, if I compare it with A, C and D, is the least essential part of this argument.